Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Today I'm diving into something that's shaking up the world of investing like never before. Artificial intelligence. This is smart money, how AI is changing the way we invest forever. First, let's talk about the basics. AI is disrupting traditional investing methods by analyzing massive amounts of data at lightning speed. Remember those days when stockbrokers would scrutinize charts and news articles? Well, AI does all that, but way faster and more accurately. Take robo-advisors, for example. These AI-driven platforms use algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. They're not just for the rich anymore, anyone can use them. By analyzing your financial goals and risk tolerance, they're able to optimize your investments in real time. Then there's algorithmic trading. Imagine executing thousands of trades per second based on predefined criteria. AI algorithms scan the market 24/7, looking for the perfect moment to buy or sell. This has leveled the playing field for retail investors and given institutional investors a massive edge. Let's get into some real-world examples. Companies like BlackRock and Goldman Sachs are already using AI to predict market trends and automate portfolio management. For retail investors, platforms like Wealthfront and Betterment are making it easier to achieve financial goals with minimal effort. Now let's talk about how AI is integrating with blockchain and DeFi. AI and blockchain together create a fully automated, intelligent financial ecosystem. Imagine a world where your investments are continuously optimized and transactions are transparent and secure. With decentralized finance or DeFi, AI can manage everything from lending and borrowing to yield farming. This means you can earn passive income without the need for a traditional financial institution. Truly the future of finance, right? So, what does the future hold? AI is set to revolutionize wealth creation. Picture a world where personalized financial advice is available anytime, anywhere. Your investments will be managed by intelligent systems that minimize risk and maximize profit. AI will also drive the next generation of fintech innovations, making financial services more accessible and efficient than ever. In conclusion, AI is transforming investing in ways we couldn't have imagined a decade ago. From robo-advisors and algorithmic trading to AI-integrated blockchain and DeFi, the possibilities are endless. The future of investing is here, and it's smart, dynamic, and incredibly exciting. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech-driven financial content. See you next time.